अखण्डं सच्चिदानन्दम् अवाङ्मनसगोचरम् आत्मानमखिलाधारम् आश्रयेऽभीष्टसिद्धये. Page number 43. Topic number 58. तेषु जाड्याधिक्य दर्शनात् तमः प्राधान्यम् तत्कारणस्य तदानीं सत्त्वरजस्तमांसीं कारणगुणप्रक्रमेण तेषु आकाशादिषु उत्पद्यन्ते. The author Sadananda, presenting the topic of creation, how this creation has come. This creation is made up of Brahma Chaitanyam along with Ajnanam. Chaitanyam associated with Ajnanam is the cause of this entire universe. This Ajnanam has got two powers. One is Avarana Shakti, veiling power. Avarana Shakti means veiling power, covering capacity. That Ajnana has got Avarana Shakti, veiling power. Number two is Vikshepa Shakti and projecting power. Projection, Vikshepa means projecting, throwing the truth away from that and showing something else. That is Vikshepam in artham. Chip dhatu. Chip means to throw. This Ajnana throws a false impression upon the truth. Once the truth is covered, you are seeing something upon the truth. Whatever you are seeing other than truth is called Vikshepam. You see the rope as rope, you are seeing the truth. Palm, snake is not seeing, rope only you are seeing. That is the truth. But once the rope is covered, because of dim light, the rope is covered, that is Avarana Shakti. Then what comes next? Immediately, Vikshepa Shakti, it throws the snake upon the rope. You look at it as a snake. Seeing the snake is a Vikshepa Shakti power. Not seeing the rope as rope is called veiling power. Similarly, when we see this whole Jagat, I am not able to see the Brahma Chaitanyam because of Ajnana Timira Andhakaram. Ajnana Timirandhasya, that Guru Stotram it comes. So Timirandhakaram, Manda Andhakaram, Epadiyo. Here Timira Andhakaram is Ajnana. This Timira Andhakaram, which is Ajnanam, also cover the Chaitanyam. Once you cover the Chaitanyam, this Ajnana, then what is the projection? Nama Rupam. Just as you see the Sarpa upon the rope, you see the form, name upon the Brahman. Once you see the Sarpa, you want to run away. Similarly, once you take this body, mind, nama, rupa as real, life is miserable. Problem. So therefore, that avarana shakti, vikshepa shakti is because of ajnanam. Ajnanam is because of that trigunam. Three gunas. Ajnana has got three gunas. Ajnana is nothing but maya. Maya is nothing but Shakti. Shakti is nothing but Prakriti. Maya is equal to Prakriti. Prakriti is equal to Avidya. Avidya is equal to Ajnanam. Ajnanam is equal to Trigunatmikam. Why all these creations? Because of Sattva, Rajas, Tamo, Gunatmika, Maya asti. Ajnanam asti. So, Tamo Guna Pradhanam, that is called Jadam. Jadyadhi Pradhanam means Tamo Guna, wherever it is Jadam. Jada Pradhanam. Teshu. Once they are created, what? Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha, Prithvi. 5 elements from the Chaitanyam. What Chaitanyam? Ajnana Sahita Chaitanyam is the cause. Only Chaitanyam, Brahma Chaitanyam cannot create anything. So without the help of Maya, Brahman cannot do anything. So by taking the help of Maya, Brahman creates, from Brahman it comes. Akasha means space, Vayu air, Agni fire, Apaha waters, and earth. All these 5 comes. Since Ajnanam is the Upadana Karanam, material cause. Clay is the material cause. Pot maker is the intelligent cause. Similarly, in this creation, also there must be a material cause. There must be a intelligent cause. So, intelligent cause is Brahma Chaitanyam, which is available in the Buddhi. And the material cause is Ajnana. Material cause is matter. Why it is called material cause? It is matter. What is made up of matter is called material cause. Whatever is made up of matter is called material cause. So that matter is Jadam. Prakriti or Maya is Jadam, inert. But its gunas also will continue in its effect. What are all Ajnana caused Akasha, Vayu, Agni, Apaha? 5 elements are also mixed with 3 gunas. That's what he says. Tat karanasya tamah pradhanya darshanat. Predominantly tamasic. What we are seeing, whole thing is tamo pradhana. Nama rupa is tama pradhana. Whatever you see, gross level, sthula level, it is made up of tamas. Inertia. Tama pradhanam. Then tat karanasya. That means panchabhuta karanam. What? Ajnanam. Upadana karanam is ajnanam. Therefore, tadanim sattva rajas tamamsi. Sattva gunam, rajogunam, tamogunam, 3 gunas, karana guna prakramena. Since they are there in that karanam, upadana karanam, sattva rajas tamoguna are not there in Brahman. They are in ajnanam. So therefore, prakramena, they are all in the cause, ajnanam. Ajnanam products, 5 elements also must have same 3 gunas. Sattva, rajas, tamo gunas. Teshu akashadishu utpadyante. They also born along with these akasha, vayu, agni. How can you go leaving me? 3 gunas. So therefore, they are also come along with akasha, vayu, Agni. 3 gunas will come. Then what? Then what? Whole drama will begin from that. Next topic we will read. 59. Etanyeva सूक्ष्मभूतानि तन्मात्राणि अपञ्चीकृतानि च उच्यन्ते. Then what is the name of these 5 elements? Once they are born with 3 gunas, Akasha has got 3 gunas. Space has got 3 gunas. Air has got 3 gunas. Sattva, Rajas, Tamo guna. Fire also has got Sattva, Rajas, Tamo guna. Then waters are also got Sattva, Rajas, Tamo guna. Earth is also has got Sattva, Rajas, Tamo guna. Etani eva sukshma bhutani. They are called as subtle elements. Sukshma means subtle. Bhutani means elements. Subtle elements. Another name, title is given to that subtle elements. Tanmatrani. Pure version and artha. Unalloyed. Pure. They are pure. Subtle elements, they are all separately. One element is there with 3 gunas. They are called Tanmatrani. Tanmatra means its original version. Without any mixing up. Unmixed. Anartham. Otherwise call it as Apanchikritani, which are not grossified. Panchikrita means grossified, mixed, alloyed. It is Apanchikrita means not grossified, not mixed. 5 elements are separately they are there, not mixed. They are separately there. They are called Apanchikritam or Tanmatra iti Uchyante. They are called it as, Uchyante means they call it as Apanchikrita Tanmatrani. What are they? Subtle elements. So the second stage. First stage, Ajnana Sahita Chaitanyat Akasha Vayu Agni Apaha Prithvi. First stage of creation. All these are called Sukshma Bhutani. The second stage of creation begin from 60th topic. Once the 5 elements have come, what is the next stage level? 60th topic. Etebhyah Sukshma Sharirani Sthula Bhutani Cha Utpadyante. Now second level of creation. Etebhyaha. Etebhyaha means from these 5 elements. Etebhyaha panchabhutebhyaha. Etebhyaha sukshma panchabhutebhyaha and pottukano. Sukshma is very important word. From these subtle elements which are endowed with 3 gunas. And the 3 gunas we should not forget. It comes a long way until the final creation they come. 3 of them. They play main role. 3 gunas play main role. Therefore, Sukshma Sharirani. All subtle bodies created by these Tanmatras. All Sukshma Shariram subtle. Sukshma subtle. Shariram body. Sharirani means bodies. All subtle bodies and Sthula Bhutani Cha. Cha means and. Subtle bodies as well as gross elements. They are called elementals. Subtle elements, once they become gross, they are called elementals. Elementals. Once we become a gross mental and artham. Elemental and artham. Ella tagararu and psychosomatic problems all will come. Elementals. Sthula bhutani means gross elements, elementals and elementals and chonale sthulam and artham. Okay, once I use the sthulam means elementals and pottukanu. Sukshma sharirani, subtle bodies plus gross elements. Now he is going to explain what is the nature of subtle body. Sukshma sharirani utpadyante, he said. All subtle bodies have come. What do you mean by subtle body? Gross body enna theriyirudhu, kannukku theriyum. How to know subtle body? You cannot see with your eyes. You have to infer. Can you see the electricity? You cannot see. Subtle body is also like electricity. No? You cannot see the subtle body. Why you cannot see the subtle body? Because it is subtle. That is why it is called subtle. Sukshmamanna. Since it is sukshma, you cannot see. I cannot see the subtle body, therefore it is not there, you cannot say. Whatever you cannot see, you cannot say it is not there. Certain things you cannot see with your eyes, perception, it's not possible, but you have to understand through inference. Because this is here, that must be there. Isn't it? This is here, like there is smoke on the mountain, fire on the mountain. So once smoke you see on the mountain, what you infer? Fire. Hey, I am not seeing fire, therefore fire is not there, can you say? One person says there is fire. What is the clue, indication? Because there is smoke. There is smoke. Therefore I can say boldly, there must be a fire. Similarly, once I see the whole gross universe, there must be a subtle universe. Otherwise, how the gross world can come? This a huge tree is standing. Okay. You are not seeing the roots. Can you say there are no roots? I am not seeing the roots. Therefore, I say there are no roots. But what do you say? This much big tree is standing in spite of great wind. There must be some root. I am not seeing, but I infer. Like that, these subtle bodies are there, Shastra says. We have to understand. Even though I am not seeing, this is called Shraddha. Shraddhavan labhate jnana. First class le, subtle body, travel, evil, all this tells, all this I don't want to believe. If you don't believe, you are going to lose the knowledge. Believe. Even though you are not seeing, Shastra says believe. Then you can understand later. What are they? What is the nature of subtle body? Gross body patti periya solla vendi avashyam kadiyadu. Subtle body patti da therinchukonu. First 61 topic. Sukshma sharirani saptadashavayavani linga sharirani how the author is going, no, step by step. Simple. Vedanta Sara is very simple. The students, they left the class in the first 2-3 classes. Ammo, Vedanta Sara is above head. It is like a Tattva Bodha. Purama irkanam illiyo. So we should not come to conclusion in the first class, second class. So Tattva Bodha it is thorough. You can understand the whole Shastra. So Tattva Bodha we have studied long ago. We might have forgotten actually. Now Vedanta Sara is reaching another Tattva Bodha in another format. Same Tattva Bodha. You see now. Sushma Sharirani. Subtle bodies. Shariram is Ekavachanam. Sharirani Bahuvachanam. Sushma Sharirani. And means all subtle bodies. Sapta Dasha Avayavani. Sapta means 7. Dasha means 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Sapta Dasha means how many? 17. Avayavani means limbs, organs, components, constituents, assemblage. Avayavam means what? Organ. Limbs in ardham. It has got 17 components. What? Which has got 17 components? Sukshma Sharirani. Each Sukshma Shariram, one Sukshma Shariram has got 17 parts in it. It is called as Linga Shariram. Linga means indicator, clue. Just as the smoke is the clue for the fire, similarly, Sushma Shariram is the indicator. All subtle bodies are clues, indicators to see the whole Jagat. They are indicators. Linga Shariram. 17 components, parts are there. It is called Linga Shariras. Namakella Linga Shariram irka illiya? I can't see. In Shivalingam, you cannot see Shiva. But you infer Shiva. By seeing the Shivalinga, who is there? Shiva. Once you see the Saligramam, you cannot see the Vishnu with Vishnu Sudarshana Chakram, Gada. But you visualize Vishnu. Similarly, subtle body is the clue. Because of subtle body, there must be Chaitanyam, Panchabhutas. Infer pannanu. Next topic. So, Linga Shariram, whenever I say, immediately you have to understand what? Sukshma Shariram, subtle body. Linga Shariram ani chonnalum, Sukshma Shariram ani chonnalum, onnudan. Then, what are those 17 components, avayavas? 62. Avayavastu Jnanendriya Panchakam Buddhi Manasi Karmendriya Panchakam Vayu Panchakam Cheti. Now, subtle body means like a makeup kit madri. Makeup kit, they keep so many things. The nail cutter pathalo. One type of nail cutter, you have a knife, you have the nail cutter, it works, so many things are there in one nail cutter. Everything is included in that. Multi-purpose. Multi-purpose nail cutter. அதே மாதிரி in the kitchen also, டப்பாக்குள்ள டப்பா, ஒரு ஸ்டீல் டப்பா. If you go to a Saravana Bhavan, I want a steel dabba set, 10 dabba he will give. But he keeps only one dabba in front of you. I want 10. If you ask, he says, wait, I will show you 10. Now he will take out the lid outside and take one dabba out. Then second dabba, third dabba, fourth dabba. Like this, 10 dabbas will come out. Now you will wonder how you kept 10 dabbas inside. That's the magic. So he keeps all 9 dabbas in one dabba. Adu madri, in the 17 faculties are put together subtle body dabba. Okay. The subtle body kulla irukku. That is the cause of the whole function, interaction in the world. Very, very interesting. Avayavaha tu. Whereas, this avayavams, components are, first set, Jnana Indriya Panchakam. Jnana means knowledge, Indriya means sense organ. Jnana Indriya means sense organs of knowledge. Panchakam means 5. There are 5 sense organs of knowledge. By which sense organs you get knowledge? Jnana Indriya Panchakam. 5. What are those 5? He is going to explain. I need not explain anything. Padchinde poidlam. Avare solluvar ellame. Jnana Indriya Panchakam. Set number 1. Okay. Set number 2 is Buddhi Manasi. Intellect. Buddhi means intellect. Manas means mind. Second set. Okay. Buddhi, intellect and mind is the second set of that 17 components. 17, 5 plus 2. 5 Jnana Indriyani plus Buddhi Manasi 2. How many? 7. இன்னும் எத்தனை பாக்கி? 10 வரணும். Karma Indriyani Panchakam. Karma means action. Indriyani means sense organs. Sense organs of action. Those sense organs through which I do an action. How many? Panchakam. 5. Come whenever you join, it's a group of 5 in artham. Pancha means 5. Why? What about this come? Not English come. Sanskrit come. Come means Udayavan. Panchakam means a group of. A group of 5 sense organs of action. How many now? 12 over. How many baki? 5. Vayu Panchakam cha iti. Vayu means air. Air means here prana. Prana Panchakam. Pancha pranas. What are they? I don't want to say anything. Nothing is there to explain later. So therefore, we will see that. What are they? Now you know the names. Vayu Panchakam. Now totally how many? 17. Kanak tapka sariya paathikanam. Okay. Pancha Jnanendriyani. Pancha Karmendriyani. Buddhi, Manasu, 12. Pancha Pranaha. Vayavaha means Pranaha nartham. Apana Vayu, all those things he is going to explain. Pancha Vayus. This is what Nirvana Shatkanla Shankaracharya writes. Pancha Pranaha, Pancha Vayavaha, all those. Next is 63. Jnanendriyani Shrotratvak Chakshurjufam Granakhyani. Now he has given all the names of 17 parts of Sukshma Shariram. Having given that, first group is Jnana Indriyani Panchakam. What do you mean by Jnana Indriyam? Jnana Indriyam means there are 5. Because they are a group of 5. Panchakam. 5 Jnana Indriyani. What are those 5? He says Shrotram. Shrotra Indriyam. Shrotram is ears. Sense organ. Ear sense organ. Why it is called sense organs means it sense. It sense the sound. It's called sense organ. You have to sense it. Oh, sound. Small sound also immediately you sense it. Have you seen the dog and the cat also? Anywhere the sound comes immediately, the ear lobe, it moves like this. Namakku move agum, namakku theriyadu. Slightly it moves. And the cat and the dog, when it moves. That is the sensing the sound. That's why it is called a sense organ. If you don't sense, it will become nonsense. No use and ardham. So it has to sense. That's why it is called sense organ. எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு மீனிங் இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் சென்ஸ் போயிடும் நினைச்சுக்கோங்களேன். கொஞ்சம் காலத்துக்கு அப்புறம் எல்லாம் சென்ஸ் அதனுடைய சக்தி எல்லாம் போயிடும். So, Shrotra Indriyam, number 1. Number 2, Tvak. Tvak means skin. Tvak. Tvak means skin. Sparsha in Sanskrit. Sparsha or Tvagindriyam. Skin or touch. Touch sonna sparsha. Tvak sonna skin. Skin you touch. Through touch you can know. No? The touch you can know the Tvagindriyam. Tvak, number 2. Then Chakshuhu, eyes. Third Indriyam. Chakshuhu. Number 4, Jihva. Jihva means tongue. Ghrana means smell. How many? Akhyani means they are all called as. Akhya means name. Name is given to them. All 5 sense organs of knowledge. Through why they are called Jnana Indriyam? Through sound you get the sound knowledge. Through the Shrotra Indriyam you get sound knowledge. Through Tvagindriyam you get touch knowledge. Similarly through eyes Indriyam, eye sense organ, you get the forms, colors, knowledge. Through the tongue, Rasana Indriyam, you get taste knowledge. Through the nose, you get smell knowledge. These are all Golakam only, outer flesh. Inside there is a power, smell power, taste power. Tongue is a Golakam. It is only fleshy area where that Indriya power, Indriya means power. Indriya means power. The power of hearing is there in this Golakam. The power of smell is there in this Golakam. In this Golakam, fleshy area. Mukku chappaya irundanu, long irundalu, short irundalu, ullakulla smell power is there. Smelling power. That's why there is no difference in smelling power. Because of cold and all, sometimes it may change. But everyone has got smelling power. Similarly, Ghrana Indriyam, all these are called Jnana Indriyani. Shrotra Indriyam, Tvagindriyam, Chakshurindriyam, Jihvendriyam, Rasanendriyam. Jivha means Rasanendriyam. Jivha means tongue. Rasanendriyam. Ghanendriyam. Afterwards he is going to say each Indriyam has got a Devata. Blessing Devata. Blessing Devata is there behind to bless these sense organs. Next. Now how they are born? Akhyani means called as, named as. Named as. Now how they are made up of what? How this Shrotra Indriyam? Shrotra Indriyam means you should not take this fleshy area. Okay? Jnana Indriyam means you should not take this flesh. Why? Indriyam is the power. Power can you see? You cannot see the power. That means invisible. Every jnana indriyam is invisible. This is only functioning medium. Very interesting. நம்ம எல்லாம் பொண்ணு என்ன 80,000 ஸ்டட் என்ன டைமண்ட், அமெரிக்கன் டைமண்ட் காது தோடு போட்டுருவா காதுக்கு. என்னடா இது மேடப்பாகனா? அது ஒன்றும் தெரியாது சுவாமின்னு. என்ன ஒன்றும் இல்லை, 3, 4, 5 போட்டுக்கிறேன் இப்போ. They do not know anything about this ear. பட் ஹோல்ஸ் மாத்திரம் இருக்கு. என்ன ஹோல் இருக்குங்க? எல்லாம் காலி காலி. மைண்டுக்குள்ள நாலேஜே கிடையாது, அதனால ஹோல்ஸ் போட்டுக்கிறாங்க. 10 ஹோல்ஸ் போட்டுக்க அலங்காரம் பண்ணிக்க. ஆனா அதோட சக்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டாமா? அந்த ஃபிளஷுக்கு தான் இந்த அலங்காரம் எல்லாமே. என்ன பண்றோம் பாருங்க, உள்ள பவர் தெரியல. This power is because of 5 elements. That 5 elements are because of Chaitanya Brahma. இதெல்லாம் அப்படி இருக்கணும் சுவாமி. நான் தங்க மாளிகைக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன். என்ன இப்படி எல்லாம் பண்ணலாமா? கொஞ்சம் தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டாமா? இதுக்கு ஒரு தோடு, இதுக்கு ஒன்றும் இங்கே இல்லை. எங்க எல்லா இடத்துக்குமே கர்மேந்திரியாணி ஞானேந்திரியாணி சில ஸ்டேட்ஸ்ல எல்லாம் டங்கு கூட போட்டுக்கிறான். In the tribal areas, you go and see, they put it to the tongue also. Even lips also they put. You have not seen? They put to the lips also. Tvagindriyathukku kuda. Rasanendriyathukku ஆபரணம், Tvagindriyathukku ஆபரணம், கிராண இந்திரியத்துக்கு ஆபரணம். இந்திரியனுக்கு போட முடியாது, కానీ கோலக்கானுக்கு யூ கேன் புட். இந்த கோலத்துக்கு உள்ள என்ன இருக்குன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டாமோ? ஓகே. How they are made up of what? Now we'll read the 64. Etanyakashadinam satvikamshebhyah vyastebhyah prithak prithak क्रमेण उत्पद्यन्ते एतानि. Etani means pancha jnanendriyani etani. These 5 sense organs of knowledge: ear, nose, skin, tongue, all these eyes, 5 are etani. How they are born? Akashadinam. Akasha means space. Adipadat, etc. etc. Space, etc. means air, fire, waters, and earth. Adipadat. Adinam means from them. From them. From the space, etc. elements, these sense organs of knowledge, they are all born. Utpadyante means they are all born. They are all born, but Akasha, Vayu, Agni, they all have got 3 gunas. But from Sattva guna of Akasha, Sattva guna of each element, one organ is born. Sense organs of knowledge born out of Sattva guna. Sattva guna of what? Akasha. Satvikamshebhyah means Sattva guna amsha. What is excluded? Which gunas? 2 gunas are excluded. Rajoguna, Tamoguna are excluded. From Sattva guna of Akasha, Shrotra Indriyam, Prithak Prithak, Kramena means Kramena, respectively. Respectively means what? In the above sentence, that is Shrotra Indriyam. So from Akasha, Shrotra Indriyam has come. Okay, from Akasha, space, Shrotra Indriyam has come. Akasha, Shrotra Indriyam, how it came? ஆகாசத்துக்குள்ள இருக்கிற சத்வகுணம் மூலமா ஸ்ரோத்ரேந்திரியம் has come. What is Shrotrendriyam? Jnanendriyam. Jnanendriyam. Shrotrendriyam is Jnanendriyam. Jnanendriyam is born out of Akasha. That Akashanla இருக்கிற மூணு குணங்கள்ல இருந்து வரல, சத்துவ குணத்துல இருந்து ஞானேந்திரியம் வந்தது. அதுக்குதான் கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா சே சத்வாத் சஞ்சாயதே ஞானம். புரியுறதா? இப்போ ஞானம் எங்க வரும்? ஞான இந்திரியங்கள தான் ஞானம் வரும். Not anywhere. From Jnana Indriyam only Jnanam comes because what? Because of what? Because of Sattva Guna. Sattva Guna is Prakashatmakam. Therefore, a person when he is Sattvic, he gets knowledge. When he is Rajasic, Tamasic, Jnaname varad. Puriyarda ippo? Tungu munjiki Jnanam varad. Yenna Sattva Gunam, Tamo Gunam irundada Tukkam, dullness, laziness ella varum. அந்த டல் பர்சனுக்கு தமோ குணா டாமினன்ட் பர்சனுக்கு ஞானம் வராது. ஏன் காரணம் என்னன்னா, ஞான இந்திரியம் won't function. Why என்ன? Because it is tamasic nature. ஞான இந்திரியம் ஃபங்க்ஷன் பண்ணணும்னா என்ன குணம் டாமினண்டா இருக்கணும்? சத்வ குணம் டாமினண்டா இருக்கணும். That's why Lord Krishna விழுந்து சத்வ குணம் you have to develop, Arjuna. Sattva guna you develop. How to develop Sattva guna also Bhagavan talks about the food and all later. புரியுறதா? என்ன சாப்பிட்டா என்ன சுவாமினி, எல்லாமே ஜீரணமாக போயின்னு இருக்கேன்னா போச்சு, அவ்வளவுதான். Bhagavan says Sattva guna food is this, Rajo guna food is this, Tamo guna food is this. If you eat Tamo guna food, Rajo guna food, you will never get Jnanam, because Sattva guna cannot come by that food. If you want to get Sattva guna, you have to eat this type of food. Therefore, you will get Sattva guna predominantly. Then your all sense organs of knowledge will function very receptive. Very, very receptive, sensitive, and you get that knowledge. Why many people won't get knowledge, even though you understand? Because of their food habits. Many people don't get knowledge. Either they eat Rajasic food or Tamasic food. Sattvic food, Yogic food, adella chappu irukku Swamini. You want Jnanam, you have to eat Sattvic food. If you eat Sattvic food, only Jnana Indriyams will function totally. Once they function, only you will get knowledge. Appuda mokshame. Sollunga, moksham venuma vendama? என்ன சுவாமினி, அது சாப்பிட மாட்டேன், இது சாப்பிட மாட்டேன், இன்னும் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன், என்னதான் சாப்பிட வேண்டிங்க? புரியுறதா? ஏன் சுவாமினி இப்படி சாப்பிடுறாரு? இப்போ இல்லை, சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து பழக்கம். எதுக்காக சாப்பிட்டான்னா இதுக்காக தான். புரியுறதா? நாவடங்கினால் நாளும் அடங்கும். ஜிதே ரசம் ஜிதே சர்வம். So therefore, மோட்சம் வேணும்னா சத்வகுணம் வேணும். சத்வகுணம் வேணும்னா சாத்விக் ஃபுட் தான் சாப்பிடணும். சின்ன வயசுல இந்த குழந்தைக்கு சாத்விக் ஃபுட் போடுங்க, மோட்சம் வந்துதான் ஆகும். அவ்வளவுதான். ஆமா, definitely it comes. Of course they eat outside after going. ஆமா, சத்வகுணம். அதுக்கு தான் you see the tiger, lion and all rajasic nature. You see the cow, sattvic nature. Elephant, tamasic nature. Depends on the food, nature. Okay. Etani akashadinam sattvikamshebhyaha vyastebhyaha means prithak prithak. Vyasta means not mixed. Each element has not yet joined. They have not mixed. They are all in ungrossified manner. Still they are prithak prithakna. Distinctly they are there. That's why they are sukshma. If they mix together, they will become what? Sthulam. Since they are sukshmam, they are apanchikritam. Not grossified. Unmixed. That is called vyastam. Unmixed is called vyastam. Mixed anna samastam. They are separate. Prithak, prithak means distinctly. Kramena utpadyante. Kramena means on 63 and 64 you have to connect. There Shrotra Indriyam is there, Akasha. Then what Indriyam? Tvagindriyam there. What is the second element? Vayu. So from Vayu, Tvagindriyam has come. You have to supply. From what is the third Indriyam? The order, Chakshurindriyam. So what is the third element? Agni Indriyam. So from Agni, eyes. From Vayu, second one Vayu, what is that? Tvagindriyam. From waters, what is the fourth one? Waters. Apaha. This from waters, what is that fourth one there in 63? Jivha, Rasanendriyam, tongue. So from waters, the Rasanendriyam has come. Taste. That's why எப்பவுமே tongue மேலே என்ன இருக்கும்? ஈரமாக இருக்கும், வாட்டரியாக இருக்கும். அதே சாப்பாடு அங்கே வச்சோடனே தண்ணி வருது சுவாமின்னு. Saliva is coming. From where? Waters. Because it is made up of that. Then comes Granam. So what is left out? Smell. Gandham. Prithvi. From the earth, Granendriyam has come. That's why wherever somewhere it mala penja, enna varum? Man vasanai varum. Man vasanai yarukku varudhu? Kaadukka, kannukka, naakukka, mookukku da varudhu. Ida Grana Indra, because it is made up of what? Prithvi. It smells. Whatever smell, it is born out of earth only. That's why body smells. Why? Made up of earth. புரியுறதா? எதுக்கு ஸ்மெல் வருதுன்னா எதுக்கு வருதுன்னா மேட் அப் ஆஃப் எர்த். எர்த் இஸ் வாட்? கந்தரூபிணி பிருத்திவி. ஓகே, கந்தம் மீன்ஸ் நாட் சல்ஃபர், நாட் தி சாண்டல் பவுடர். கந்தம் மீன்ஸ் ஹியர் கிராண இந்திரியம், ஸ்மெல். பிருதக் பிருதக் கிரமேண உற்பத்தியந்தே, respectively in order they will born. Next, 65. Now, second group. First group, Pancha Jnanendriyani over. What is the second group? Look into that 62. What is the second group? Buddhi Manasi. How they are born? Adi sollunga Swamini. First, the Buddhi Manasi, eppadi they are common. Buddhirnama Nischayatmikantah karna vrittihi. Nischayatmikantah karna vrittihi. Manonama Sankalpa vikalpatmika. Sankalpa vikalpatmika Antahkarana vrittihi. Second group is called intellect and mind. What do you mean by intellect? Arivi ennu solluvom. What do you mean by intellect? Intellect means buddhir nama. Nama means it is called as. Intellect means nischayatmika antahkarana vrittihi. Vrittihi means a thought, modification, a thought. Thought modification. Where? Antahkarana. Karana means organ. Antaha means inner. Inner organ. Antahkarana means inner organ. In that inner organ, there is a modification take place. What type of modification? Nischayatmika. Decision. Making a decision. Whenever you make a decision, that means the decision made by buddhi. Buddhi means intellect. How to know buddhi? Iniki class ku ponu. Anna buddhi has decided another. I want to write notes. After a long time I will start my writing notes. Buddhi decides. whenever you decide anything, that function is done by the inner organ that is called buddhi. Buddha means to know. It is jnanam. The Buddha means in which buddhi, the Buddha jnanam arise. What jnanam? எனக்கு தெரியும் எனக்கு தெரியாதுன்னா ஞானம். அதுக்கு தான் புத்தின்னு பேர். அதுக்கு இல்லைன்னா அது இல்லைன்னா நான் புத்துன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, புத்தி ஒர்க் பண்ணேன்னா புத்துன்னு அர்த்தம். அன்இன்டெலிஜென்ட் ஃபெலோன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ புத்தி, வேர் த நாலேஜ் டேக்ஸ் பிளேஸ், புத், அந்த ஞானம், எனக்கு தெரியும் எனக்கு தெரியாதுன்னது எங்க நடக்கிறதோ அந்த டெசிஷன், இட் இஸ் கால்டு புத்தி என்று பேர். நிச்சயாத்மிகா, that decision made by that antakaranam, where it has made, it is in the form of thought. It is in the form of a thought. Vritti. Vritti means not profession. Vritti means thought. Let me eat this, you have decided. Let me wear this dress. Let me buy this book. Let me listen this music. Let me go for walking. It is a thought, in the form of thought, in the buddhi. Therefore it is called antakaranam. Inside it is taking, it is a karanam, but antaha, inside. என்னோட புத்தி இப்படி சொல்றதுன்னு சொல்றோம். Decision. What is mind? Manonama. Mind means sankalpa விகல்பாத்மிகா அந்தக்கரண விருத்தி. இது கூட அந்தக்கரண விருத்தி தான். கிளாஸு போகணுமா? வேண்டாம். சங்கல்பம் பண்ணியாச்சு, போகணும், வேண்டாம். போலாமா வேண்டாமா? போலாமா வேண்டாமா? சங்கல்பம் போலாம், வேண்டாம் விகல்பம். இந்த சாரி நல்லா இருக்கா, வாங்கலாமா வேண்டாமா? வாங்கலாமா வேண்டாமா? வாங்கலாம், நல்லா இருக்கு, కానీ காஸ்ட்லி, ரொம்ப ப்ரைஸ் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கு. Sankalpam is what? I desire. And Vikalpam is what? Whether should I have this or not. Vikalpam. Everything. Should I eat one more idli or not? Sankalpam enna? Idli saapnonu sankalpam. Should I eat or not? Vikalpam. Morning onwards till night, until we sleep. இதுதான் நம்மளுக்கு வேலை. சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம், சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம். அதுதான் குழப்பம்னு அர்த்தம். எங்கெங்க சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம் இஸ் மோர், இன் விச் விருத்தி தாட், அந்த தாட் சங்கல்ப விகல்பமா இருக்கின்ற தாட் மனசுன்னு பேர். Therefore mind will never decide. Mind is always in pendulum. அந்த பெரிய கடியாரம், ஓல்டு கிளாக்ஸ், have you seen? ஓல்டு கிளாக்ஸ் எல்லாம் அந்த எக்ஸிபிஷனில் தான் பார்க்க முடியும். இப்போ வீட்டில் எல்லாம் யாரும் வச்சுக்கிறது இல்லை. அது என்ன பண்ணும், அதுக்கு மிடில் ஒரு இருக்கும், இப்படி இப்படி ஆடிண்டே இருக்கும், பெண்டுலம். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் பெண்டுலம். இட் கோஸ் ஆன், இட் மூவ்ஸ் இன் திஸ் சைட் அண்ட் தட் சைட். மை மைண்ட் இஸ் சுவாமினி, மார்னிங் இஸ் ஓகே, ஈவினிங் நாட் ஓகே. சேம் ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா, என்னமா பாருங்க. மைண்ட் sankalpa vikalpatmika, it is also a vritti, a thought. Then you have to make it firm. No, I want to do this. அது நிச்சயாத்மிகா. நிச்சயம் பண்ணும்போது அதுக்கே அந்தக்கரண விருத்திக்கு, அதே தாட்டுக்கு புத்தின்னு பேரு. If it go on wavering thought, that is called mind. புரியுறது? இப்ப மனசு என்ன? இந்த மனசே புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறதே சுவாமி. யாருக்கு புரியாது, சாஸ்திரத்துக்கு தான் புரியும். சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சா புரியும். இது புரியாமலே சோமேட்டிக் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பேசுறான். சைக்காட்ரிக் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் மைண்ட் பத்தே தெரியாது. அதுக்குதான் சைக்காலஜிஸ்ட் ஆல் தே ஸ்டடி அபவுட் த மைண்ட். ஒன்ஸ் தே வாண்ட் டு ஸ்டடி அபவுட் த மைண்ட், தே கம் டு சாஸ்திரா. நோவேர் இன் த வேர்ல்ட் analyzed about the mind. How beautiful is writes, a thought modification, which thought decision is taking. அதே தாட்டுக்கு புத்தின்னு பேரு. Sometimes same one thought is wavering டு டூ ஆர் நாட் டு டூ ஆர் டு டூ இன் அதர் வே. இந்த குழப்பம் இருக்கும்போது அதே தாட்டுக்கு என்ன பேரு? மைண்ட். இப்படி மனசு என்ன அர்த்தம்? தாட். புத்தி என்ன அர்த்தம்? தாட். தாட் மீன்ஸ் ஆலோசனை. எந்த ஆலோசனையோ நான் டிசிஷன் எடுக்கிறானோ அது புத்தி. எந்த ஆலோசனை பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா ஆசிலேஷன், ஃபேனுக்கு ஆசிலேஷன் இருக்குல்ல, இந்த பக்கம் போகும் அந்த பக்கம் போகும், இந்த பக்கம் போகும் அந்த பக்கம், அந்த மாதிரி விருத்தி இருக்கும்போது அதுக்கு மனசுன்னு பேர். அந்த மாதிரி ஆசிலேஷன் நிறுத்திட்டான்னு என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த மனசு ஃபோக்கஸிங் அர்த்தம். அதுக்குதான் மனசுடைய நேச்சர் எப்பவுமே ஆசிலேஷன் தான். யூ cannot conquer the mind. You can know the nature of the mind. That's why all people struggle in the meditation, because they want to keep the mind stopping, one pointed. முடியுமா? என்ன அதனுடைய நேச்சரே இப்படி அப்படி, சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம், இப்படிப்பட்ட மனசுன்னு இப்படி பண்ணணும்னு முடியுமா? அதுதான் தப்பான ஒரு சாதனை. அது மனசு போகும்போது தான் பார்த்துட்டே இரு மனசுன்னு. போன்னு சொல்ல எத்தனை தூரம் போகும்? திருப்பி வந்துடும். குழந்தை மாதிரி, குழந்தை அம்மா இருக்கிற பார்க்குற வரைக்கும் போயிட்டே இருப்பான். அம்மா தெரியலன்னு என்ன பண்ணுவான்? ஓடி ஓடி வந்துடுவான். அதே மாதிரி இஃப் மதர் இஸ் கோயிங் பிஹைண்ட் த சைல்டு ஓடி போயிட்டே இருப்பான். அம்மா கொஞ்சம் ஹைட் பண்ண உடனே என்ன பண்ணுவான்? ஐயோ அம்மா காணும், திருப்பி பின்னாடி வந்துடுவான். Similarly, when we are doing meditation also, when mind goes, you are also going along with the mind. Mind runs here and there. If you don't go along with the mind, you are watching. போ, எத்தனை தூரம் போ அப்படின்னு சொன்ன என்ன பண்ணுவான்? டயர்டாகி இது போகாமலே வந்துடுவான் திருப்பி. It comes யதா பிரகாரம். That's why never carry away by the mind. Look at the mind as a third person, சாட்சி. மைண்ட் போயிட்டு இருக்க சுவாமி, போயிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு சொன்னா போயிட்டே இருக்கும் அது. Where can you go? How long you can go? How much distance you can go? You tell to your mind. அப்படி பேச மாட்டோம். நம்ம மனசுல ஒன்னாகி அந்த மனசு கூட ஓடி 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 after 10 minutes you will come up. அப்போ எங்க இருக்கேன்? நான் மெடிடேஷன்ல இருக்கேன். ஓவர். பை தட் டைம் ஆஃபீஸ் டைம் கிளம்ப வேண்டியதுதான். மனசை பத்தி தெரியாமல சும்மா மெடிடேஷன் பண்ணி என்ன பிரயோஜனம்? புரிஞ்சுக்கோ, அதான் சாஸ்திரம் படின்னு சொன்னேன். இதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம் சுவாமி, கொஞ்சம் மெடிடேஷன் சொல்லி கொடுங்க. மனசை பத்தி தெரிஞ்சுக்கோப்பா, மெடிடேஷன் தானாவே வந்துடும். அதுதான் சங்கல்ப விகல்பாத்மகா அந்தఃகரண விருத்தி. அந்த விருத்தியை நம்ம மறக்கக்கூடாது. இது தாட் தான். இந்த மனசுதான் அப்புறம் அஜ்ஞானம், குழப்பம் இதெல்லாம் இதுக்கு காரணம். அதுதான் அமனீபாவம் சொன்னது. மனசுதான் மனோமூலம் இதம் ஜகத். மனசுதான் காரணம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். How many groups over now? 2 groups over. Second group also over. Total 7 over. Now 10 left out. Next one, 67. Anayoho evam chitta ahankarayoho antarbhavaha. அந்த செகண்ட் குரூப்லயே இன்னும் 2 more you have to add. சித்தம் அகங்காரம். புத்தி மனசுக்குள்ள அந்தக்கரணம், தட் இஸ் அந்தக்கரணம். யூ ஹாவ் டு ஆட் 2 more in that. That's why some people say 19 faculties. இந்த 2 ஜாயின் பண்ண எத்தனை ஆகும்? 19. Some places chitta ahankara. Chitta means memory, ahankara means ego. He is going to explain that later. That we'll see in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.